Today we will learn about HTML elements, and HTML elements is defined by a start tag, some content and an end tag. The HTML elements is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Let's take an example. This is a start tag, this is end tag, and this is element content, nested element, nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. All HTML documents consist of nested elements. The following example contains 4 HTML elements: HTML, body, h1. Let's take one more, p. Control S. HTML. The HTML elements is the root element and it defines the whole HTML document. It has a start tag, HTML start and HTML end. Then inside the HTML elements there is a body. The body element defines the document's body. It has a start tag and also had an end tag. Then inside the body element there are 2 other elements, h1 and p. The h1 element defines a heading. It has a start tag and also end tag. The p elements defines a paragraph. It has a start tag and also an end tag.